Moving on, why do you think teenage is specifically an important phase for paying attention to your teeth?
Teenagers, as we again discussed before, that they are a phase of life which are not even kids and not even adults. So this is the best aspect, that we have some amount of growth left in patients if they have some problems. Now, each human being has two sets of dentition. One is deciduous dentition, that is milk tooth, which we usually call, and they fall off and they are succeeded by the permanent teeth. So the first permanent tooth will erupt into the oral cavity around 6 years to 7 years of age, which is the first permanent molars, which are commonly called. So the first visit of a patient to a dentist or an orthodontist should be scheduled around this time only, so that if there are some developing malocclusions or some abnormal habits which are continuing in the patient or a kid, can be corrected and intercepted. Since some amount of growth is present in early teenage groups, some appliances can be given which can help the growth of jaw which is deficient sometimes. For example, simple class 2 malocclusions are there, in which the lower jaw is smaller in size, and they need catch-up growth with the help of some appliances. So if proper appointments are scheduled at the right point of time with a dentist or an orthodontist, appliances can be given and these problems can be sorted out. Otherwise, at a later date, more invasive procedures like surgery or bigger procedures are the only options which are left for an adult patient. But since teenage group has still some amount of growth left, this is the best time to treat a patient. Also, one thing I would like to add is that since they are in the growing phase, the bone turnover, the cellularity, and other aspects are much, much better. So treatment results are much, much more stable when we perform these procedures in this age group. If they maintain the retention and the other aspect properly, then these results will be much, much better as compared to treating early or treating much, much later.